Hey guys, welcome back to Forever Freaky Funko. We got a box. I know it doesn't say anything there. We got a mystery box from Spastic Pops. So, we are in search for, instead of putting a thing on the, instead of putting something on there, I'm just going to show you from my phone. Makes it easier for me. There's 12 boxes total. We are in search for the blue, the infamous blue chrome Batman with the yellow and black symbol on the chest. There's 12 total boxes. So I'm going to read this to you. As you can see there. $135 free US shipping, $100 guaranteed, only 12 boxes. 4 pops per box, top box is valued at $400 plus. The last time we did a mystery box from Spastic Pops, I pulled right above my head Lime Sour Patch Kid from Spastic Pops. Awesome box there. Let's see what kind of luck we have on this one. Now, kind of like mystery boxes, you guys see how I shake them? Whatever. So here, I'm feeling it, I'm shaking it, it doesn't feel heavy. And when I shake it, I can feel the pops moving. None of them feel heavy. Why would one feel heavy? Well, I would assume, I'm not threatening anybody, I'm just talking while I'm pointing this. I will assume that Batman would be shipped in a hard stack, which is heavier, and you might feel some weight difference there. I don't feel like there's a hard stack in there. At least shaking it, it doesn't feel like one. Or does the weight doesn't feel like there's a hard stack or anything like that. So I'm going to assume that they would ship it in a hard stack, but I don't know. Maybe not. But that's just assumption. So we're going to unbox this mystery box like we normally do. I'm going to put this dangerous weapon away, or box cutter away, and I'm going to be opening them on the side. And they were always pack these so good. So there's a layer of plastic bubble wrap that, okay, so hold on one second. I'm going to cut through this real quick with scissors. Not looking, so I can, trying to find where my finger would go. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm going to fill around. No hard stacks. Matter of fact, I fill box, fill box. Matter of fact, none of these are even in a pop protector. 0 pops in a pop protector. So definitely did not get Chrome Batman. There's no way they would ship it without a pop protector. I'm surprised that they shipped 4 pops without a pop protector, which leads me to believe that this might be, I'm just assuming, I don't know what these are yet, okay? We'll see. But this might be a dud box, meaning of meh pops, but maybe nothing great, because there's not one protector in here. And if this is a $100 value, there's either got to be 4 $25 pops, or there's got to be a big pop in there that's worth some money, but they didn't put it in a protector. So that wouldn't make sense. So we don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna get my pen out, my Oogie Boogie pen, and see what kind of Funko Pops were sent to us. So I don't know, because none's in a soft protector. I have no clue. Not even a soft protector. I have no clue if I'm going to pull the most valuable one first or not. We're just going to go for it, guys. Here we go. We know what we're going to do if they're BTS Pops, so get ready. There you go. The first one up is... Oh, is this a chase? I wish it was the... I was thinking it was the... That's what I saw on the back. So the first thing I saw... By the way, this is an awesome pop. I don't have it, and I did want to get it. So this is cool. Monica Geller. But when I first saw the turkey on the head, I thought it was the chase. I know it says friends, but I wasn't reading that. I just saw this. That's all I saw. I didn't even see this. That's what I saw. Like, I saw that, but all I focused on was that, thinking it was the Mr. Bean chase, which I would have been happy with that, even though it's got a low value on it. But here we go. Monica Geller. This is a cool one. Friends Funko Pop. Let's check that one out. That's a cool one to have. I don't have it. And I wanted to get it, but my Target, when we got those, when we got these pops from the Target exclusive Monica, they were damaged. There was really no decent boxes. This one's a decent box. This is at $28. So, not bad. Off to a good start there. I did want this one. This is definitely staying in the collection. Really happy to have this one. This one's really cool. Really, really excited to have it. Okay, I'm going to have to do some trickery around here to move my pops. All right, because my table's like full over there. All right, next one up. I'm gonna make sure I can face it your way. Is Ultraman. This is so dope, guys. Holy crap! I'm surprised. Wow, I don't have this one. I don't have this one. This is badass, guys. This is badass. Ultraman. Woo! That gets a woo from me. Toy Tokyo, San Diego 2019 limited edition. Do not have Ultraman. Glows in the dark. This is a pop that I have wanted. Wow. 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 How much is Ultraman? Whew, we're about to find out. That is a good pop right there, guys. That should be in a protector. It's probably not worth maybe that much, I guess, but I'm putting that bad boy in a protector. This is a beautiful pop. So this beautiful pop here is $35. Yeah, there's a Asia pop of him for 160, metallic for 70. But anyways, this one is awesome and it's worth $35. And I'm surprised that it's not in a soft protector. For me, it's worth it. $35. So we got 28 and 35. We got to get to a $100 value. This is a sweet pop, guys. One more look. You can check that out. That is awesome. This is a pop I'm so excited to have. This is really dope. This is really cool. And if you want to see the set in the back, this is a really good pop. Like, I'm super happy about this one. Really happy about Ultraman Glow in the Dark. I am really pumped. This is a badass pop. This one's so cool. So cool. Alright. Those are probably the best two pops in here. I don't know, though. I don't know. And I'm afraid to open up the other two because I'm going to do my math real quick on my phone. I'm afraid to open up the other two just because, or take them out because they might not be that great. So far, I'm happy with the box. So that's a $63 value. So we still need $37. So we might have one more good pop in here. All right, here we go. Maybe two more. We'll see. Sometimes, sometimes one thing I like about Spastic, they guarantee a value, and sometimes they go over that value. So I hope I have one of those boxes. All right, 1, 2, 3. I do not have this pop either. Oh, man. I know everyone watching, most of you have this one. Wow. I don't have this one. It's one that I've been wanting to buy. This is crazy. Like this box is we don't have the last one out yet, guys, but this box is really good. Now, I did spend $135 free shipping. I haven't hit that value yet. Let's see how much this is. I know they didn't promise that. They only promised 100, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. Because if you added shipping to this box, it would have came out to probably $155 instead of $135. So, because free shipping is involved, you kind of put that shipping into the total, and I actually paid about $110 for the pops. So, get to get a $100 value because it was free shipping. It's pretty damn good. So this is a $26 pop, which means they can either hook me up, not hook me up, but hook up the box and put another nice Funko Pop, or we're going to get a dud on the last one. So let's see. Let's see if we're going to end it with a stab in the head to BTS, or we're going to get something cool. Right now we're at $89. To hit their value, we have to hit $11 Funko Pop. An $11 Funko Pop. So we might just have garbage as the last pop, or we might have something cool. We don't know, but I love it. I don't have this one, guys. 3 pops that I don't have, and they're all pops that I wanted. That's the cool part. 3 pops that I don't have, and they all fit in my collection. Super happy with that. I would have loved to have Chrome Batman, of course. Who wouldn't? That's why I got it. So 11 boxes out there. One of you have that Chrome Batman. So awesome if you pull that one. Here we go. Last one. I just hope it's something that I actually like. So far, the box has been a 9 out of 10, meaning blue chrome would have been 10 out of 10. This is a 9 out of 10 so far. This might make it a 9 out of 10, or this might make it something else. We'll see. Here we go. Okay, I don't have this one, but I love Wonder Woman, and I don't have this pop. Is it one that happy about? Yes, actually it is. I was not going to go out and buy these. I think I made a video and I showed you guys that I picked up, I believe it was somebody as Batman. It was somebody as or maybe it was the Flash. Somebody has one of the, either Flash or Batman, that I really liked. You can find these at Walmart. This is not the official con sticker. It's exclusive sticker, so this is a Walmart Funko Pop. But they are $15. They cost $15 at Walmart to buy one. So let's put that one in the pop price guide. It's still a little early, meaning that it dropped not that long ago. Same with Ultraman, but let's see what this one comes out to. This one is valued at $25. So you add that. I said we needed $11, right? So we went over. So plus 25. So we're at $114. $114 for all pops. $114 for all the Funko Pops. All of them were valued at $25 or more. The top one in the box. Gonna cover these one more time. We got those two. Awesome set. Love this one so much. Oh, I'm so happy. This one's gonna go up, keep going up in value. And this is the top grail of the whole box. $35. I'm okay with that because in total we got $114 a pops, and I paid $135 free shipping. So if you took the $114, and for something like this box would have probably cost about, I would say about $17 or $18. So let's just do $17. Put me at $131 with shipping included. So I spent $4 extra. And I don't have any of these pops, guys. For somebody that buys almost everything, yes, I'm guilty. I don't have any of these. And I would say I'll take this one in my collection, but minus this one, and believe me, it's staying in my collection, guys. Penny is staying with me. 100% staying with me. But wanted, like, I would have went out and spent money on these and bought these. These I want. So, one, it still fits in my collection, because I do have some of the Big Bang Theory ones. Flash, Batman, and this one now. And as Wonder Woman, you can't beat that because I'm a big Wonder Woman fan. So, but I'm a big DC fan too. This is a great box, guys. So thank you for watching. Spastic Pops, I couldn't find your sticker. Here it is. I always forget to show the sticker. Sometimes it just falls on the floor. Spastic Pops, thank you so much. This is an awesome box. Guaranteed $100 value. Definitely surpassed that. And I got 4 pops I don't have. That is a big win for me. I'm going to put 2 of those in some pop protectors. And maybe 3 of them. Yeah, I'll put 3 of them in pop protectors. And but they're all staying in my collection. That's awesome. I'm so happy with this box. The only thing that would have made me happier is the blue chrome Batman. Other than that, this is a 9 out of 10 box for me. Love it. I'm so happy. Really, really, truly am happy. Woo! That's what you get with this box. Spastic Pops did it once again. Putting a good mystery box together. Shipping is amazing with them. Hell of a job packing. Never had an issue with them. Never. And I really like. They're really becoming. I know you see me buying a lot of their boxes because they really are becoming one of my favorites to buy from. They really are. Matter of fact, I'm not going to say who, but I emailed a company today that dropped a mystery box asking if I can buy more than 1 box because it didn't say that in their disclaimer, and they have not responded to me. Matter of fact, they send me a generic email that just gets sent out to everybody. Hopefully what we have in here answers your question, and it didn't answer my question. So that company is not getting my money. Why? Because I emailed them this morning. I'm not going to say who it is because that's not this channel. This channel is not going to bash anybody. We don't do that here. Nothing but love and positive energy, baby. That's all we do here. But I will tell you, I emailed the company, and if they don't respond to me with answering my question, which they haven't, and it's been all day long, they haven't responded at all, means that their customer service isn't that great anyways. I'm not going to say which company it is. I'm going to keep that private to myself because I'm not here to put down any companies, but I can choose who I want to do business with. Spastic Pops, you guys have my business. You probably have my business for life because you guys have definitely done nothing but great things with your boxes, and really like you guys as a company. Other companies out there, I like them too for mystery boxes. But right now, Spastic Pops is definitely on the list of my favorites. It's probably number 1 right now. And that's why I continue to buy from them because I love the Dirty Dozens. I love the great ideas they put together. I love the pops that we get. And it's just a great company overall. My opinion, sharing that with you guys. So thank you for watching. Please be kind to one another. Sending you that love. Take it. Grab it. Play with it. Eat it. Soak it in. Love you guys. Take care, everyone. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.